Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices deliberately. Install the private lock app and grant Bluetooth plus location access so the phone can see the lock. Next, create and verify your account using email and two-factor authentication to protect access. Once done, power on the lock and trigger pairing mode exactly as the manufacturer describes. You now initiate the secure link between phone and lock, which is essential before you configure access or schedules. After pairing, go into the app's device page and confirm the lock ID and connection quality so you avoid drops. Then create user profiles, assign roles, set PINs or virtual keys, and limit privileges where needed. This controls who can open the lock and when. Make sure to schedule access windows and enable auto-lock timers for safety. Finally, check for firmware updates and apply them. Keeping both app and lock firmware current prevents bugs and improves security. Now test the system, unlock the door locally and remotely, and confirm events populate the audit log so you can verify behavior. Share temporary keys or QR codes when needed, and always set expirations to limit exposure. Lock the app settings once complete to prevent accidental changes. If things go wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Reset your phone's Bluetooth, force close and reopen the app, then retry pairing. If it still fails, reboot the lock and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.